You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
You are going to love the 2022 Audi SQ5. The Audi SQ5 does things you'd never expect from an SUV. This SQ5 has impressive acceleration and comes with a top-notch interior and sporty handling. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, stability control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, air conditioning, panoramic sunroof, alloy wheels, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.